guys, welcome to my art channel. So today we will learn this wonderful painting using layer on layer technique in watercolors. So let's begin. The most basic thing here to understand is we will add second layer only after first layer completely dries. We are coloring background on wet paper and then we will wait for drying. You can use hair dryer also for that purpose as the drying process takes lot of time. Also remember the color of subsequent layer should be higher in pigment than first. You can use this technique to create abstract also. Please guard the edges as later on you can't change it if you are using watercolors. So we have almost painted 4 to 5 layers. Eventually we are making it more darker in every layer. Now we will just add some highlights and it will be done. I'm very happy to introduce this most basic thing in watercolors. We'll be adding more techniques in future like this, so if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel. Also share your feedback. Here you can see the clarity of painting. right? Thank you for watching.